What's going on, you guys? This is New York Adventure in 1994 here, and today is Thursday, January 27th, 2022, and I apologize for making all weather videos for the last 2 weeks. There hasn't really been anything else going on except the weather that I'm able to film. So I apologize for all this. Listen, I'm not trying to make this an all-weather channel 24/7. It's just that that's all that's been happening with me this month. I haven't really done that much events to get on film other than weather, because that's all that's been happening. Like all this severe weather and these temperature droppings. Yeah. This is what happens in winter. It gets really cold and you have all these severe weather events happening. So the reason why I wanted to come in here is because this has been issued for over a week now, and on Saturday, this upcoming Saturday, we are getting a nor'easter blizzard. It's gonna slam the Northeast this weekend. We're gonna be getting a lot of snow this weekend. So we are getting slammed by a nor'easter blizzard this Saturday. And Long Island seeing like over a foot of snow. Montauk is gonna get slammed pretty hard by this thing. They're getting more snow over there than I am. I mean, I'm getting a lot of snow too, but Montauk is definitely getting it more. And they're showing gusts up to like 60 miles per hour over there. And as for me, the winds aren't even that bad here. I might be getting like 40 to 50 miles an hour, but that's pretty much it when this blizzard gets here. But Montauk's expecting like gusts up to 60 miles an hour from this blizzard. Oh, you guys see Cape Cod in Nantucket. They could be getting hurricane winds between 70 and 80 miles an hour. Yeah, they're gonna get slammed pretty hard. Flooding, high winds, blowing snow. They're gonna get all that stuff. Yeah, this is a really serious situation, guys. So I expect a lot of power outages to be done in the Northeast from this blizzard. A lot of damage is going to be done with this. Yeah, this is a really serious event. So we are officially getting our first big nor'easter that's a snowstorm. We haven't had a strong nor'easter since October, and that turned into Tropical Storm Wanda before Halloween. Yeah, that thing turned into a bomb cyclone, and it slammed New England back in October. The center of the storm was like out in the Atlantic, but it was still pretty devastating. There was a lot of high winds and flooding where Boston and Cape Cod is. Yeah, Boston and Cape Cod always get hit so bad. Yeah. Even when the Patriots play, they always get hit bad. Gillette Stadium. So they have to deal with this almost every single year. Because when the Northeast gets a nor'easter, those parts of New England deal with hurricane winds. And the winter blizzards with hurricane winds. Yeah, this blizzard's gonna be crazy. This is probably gonna be a 2018 repeat. Because I heard on the news that this storm could become a bomb cyclone. This storm turning into a bomb cyclone is on the table for this upcoming blizzard. And that's when 24 or more millibars are dropped in 24 hours. So, yeah, a bomb cyclone from this thing is likely this weekend. And it's gonna obviously bring a 2018 repeat of the January 2018 blizzard. Because that was a bomb cyclone blizzard for the Northeast. And we're looking at another bomb cyclone blizzard for the Northeast this weekend. So yeah, this is going to have a lot of similarities to the 2018 blizzard. I told you about this blizzard like 2 weeks ago, or 3 weeks ago. Back in 2018. That was the blizzard where I was really sick and I had a bad fever. And a lot of other people were getting sick too. Yeah, I told you guys about this. For those who lived in my neighborhood, probably got sick too. That's when we had that record-breaking cold temperatures. And people were getting really cold during the Winter Classic for the Rangers and Sabres at Citi Field. And we had that blizzard. Yeah, I think the Winter Classic did the trick. Because it was really cold over there. And I started hearing stuff about people getting sick because it was so cold out. It had a lot of effects on people. It's a good thing I didn't go to Citi Field, but I got caught getting sick. Yeah. I got really sick probably because it was so cold out for 2 weeks. And there were a lot of people that went to the Winter Classic at Citi Field where the Rangers played the Buffalo Sabres. Yeah. And then everyone just got sick before the snowstorm arrived. Yeah, and I was unable to film that blizzard because I was sick and I only had the aftermath of it. And that's it. But we got pounded pretty good. We had like 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts and blowing snow everywhere. I expect the same this Saturday, but I'm not sick. What I mean to say is that I expect to see a lot of blowing snow in this area on Saturday from this bomb cyclone nor'easter blizzard. Yeah, all the models are agreeing on that. And yeah, this is good. The center of it's gonna be offshore, and this is gonna be an all snow event, unlike Winter Storm Izzy, where we had an all rain event and 60-mile-an-hour wind gust overnight. So You guys better be prepared right now for this blizzard this upcoming Saturday. This is a nor'easter blizzard. Definitely, it looks definite that this could intensify into a bomb cyclone. Yeah, that's not a good sign at all for most people. So, I guess that's it. You gotta be prepared, like, right now. Before all that snow comes in and blows in your face. So, I guess that's it. Bye.